It is my pleasure to extend a heartfelt welcome to you as we begin a new academic year at the College of Education. Our college is more than just a place of learning. It is a vibrant community where we come together to support, inspire, and challenge one another. Our mission is to cultivate educators who are not only knowledgeable but also compassionate and innovative. This year, we have the chance to advance this mission further, to explore new ideas, and to push the envelope in educational research and practice. The College of Education promises to be one of the exploration and growth. Our dedicated faculty is committed to providing a rich and engaging learning experience that challenges and inspires. To our students, embrace the journey of discovery, ask questions, and seize opportunity to expand your horizons. The college continues to cultivate, build, and maintain strong and effective relations with the community and stakeholders. We are committed to enhancing your educational experience by investing in the development of our academic staff, engaging our students in community services and research, keeping our education curriculum up to date, and hiring outstanding faculty who are accomplished researchers and teachers. I look forward to working alongside each of you and to witnessing the incredible achievements that this year will bring. Let us approach this year with enthusiasm, dedication, and a commitment to making a positive difference in the field of education. This college will try to give our students the best educational opportunities that will arouse their ambitions and help materialize their goals. I wish all our students success in their studies, and I urge them to try their best to acquire the knowledge and academic skills crucial for success in their future lives. I'm confident that together we will make this academic year a resounding success. Here's to a year of learning, growth, and achievement. I wish you all success in your endeavors. Welcome to the College of Education.